Hi, Mickey. Thank you for your comment. And I would absolutely love to share more information on how you could start averaging $900 a day. So what you need to do is go to my profile, and in my bio, you're going to see a clickable link. Click on that, enter your email. That's going to allow me to send you all the information. Now, I will be sending you an email where the subject is blueprint. You want to check your spam because I've never emailed you before, so it might end up in your spam folder. So when you get the email, there is going to be a link that will lead you to my website. Take a look at all the different products I have to offer. I offer 4 done-for-you e-learning digital products that are $100, $300, $600, and a $900 product. See what best fits your financial goals, and I am so excited for you. I'm here to guide you and help you through this journey, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can simply respond to that email, or you could just DM me. I'm looking forward to connecting with you.